Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I teach you how to make a surgical face mask with a pocket for filters. This video is especially for those of you who don't know how to sew or don't have any sewing equipment. So I decided to use two different types of mesh fabric for this tutorial, an athletic mesh and a regular mesh, and my goal was to use fabric that was breathable and had a little bit of stretch in them. So the things you need to accomplish this mask are fabric glue, a blow dryer, and some elastic. To make the pattern, you need a rectangle that is 8 by 4 inches. And you're going to mark 1 inch from each corner of the rectangle. Then you're going to draw a semicircle from the midpoint line to the 1 inch marking all across the rectangle. You cut that shape out and that is your pattern. Cut out the pattern from your desired choice of fabric. Then apply glue to the edge of the first fabric, flip it over and glue it down. You can use a blow dryer or a fan to help speed things up. Also, I found that it was easier to glue down one fabric at a time, so you glue down the first piece and then glue the second piece on top of the first piece. It worked much better for me, and so you guys can try that way. Repeat the same steps for the other side of the mask. So because I didn't have any elastic on hand and I didn't think it was necessary to go to the store just to buy elastic, I decided to cut the elastic straps off an old mask I had laying around. So apply some glue on the other end of the mask and attach your elastic strap on each end like I'm doing in the video. So working with glue can get very messy, and it's so easy to drop glue on surfaces that the glue doesn't belong on. And so with the specific glue that I was using, I found that acetone is a great way to dissolve it. So I basically used acetone to clean up the surfaces and clean up my work. And depending on the type of glue that you're using, there's probably a solution that can break down the glue. So the last step is to make the pockets, and all you have to do is just cut a slit in the back opening of the mask and you are done. So unfortunately I don't have a medical grade filter on hand, but I used some toilet paper to show you guys what it would look like if you had a medical grade filter. This mask was very easy to make and it literally took me less than 5 minutes to complete. So it's an option for you guys, and I would advise you to wash it to get rid of the glue smell and possibly the acetone. I'd love to know what you guys think in the comment section below, and if you love this video, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.